The Lord be with you. This is our Kenosis Gospel reflection on this Sunday of the Divine Mercy. Our Gospel will be coming from St. John, chapter 20, verses 19 to 31. The greeting of Jesus to his frightened and hiding disciples was, "Peace be with you." A very nice greeting. He didn't question them. Why are you hiding? Why did you abandon me? Why are you so afraid? Without question, his greeting was peace. And during that time, one of the 12, Thomas, was not there. And so when they met again, the other disciples told him of how Jesus appeared before them. And Thomas said, "I will not believe, not until I can put my fingers on the wound of his crucifixion." And so after 8 days, Jesus Christ appeared again. And Thomas was there. And Jesus said, "Come on, put your finger on my wounds." But Thomas said, "My Lord and my God." Jesus said, "Do you believe now that you have seen? Blessed are those who believe, even if without seeing it." My dear sisters and brothers, the mercy of God is all about peace. The mercy of God is all about forgiveness. The mercy of God is all about an assurance. He said, "Peace be with you." That is an assurance that no matter how confused, no matter how many sins we have committed, no matter how many times we have abandoned God, we will be forgiven. And this is the message of the divine mercy. God will not first judge us. He will first show His mercy, love, and forgiveness. And it's up to us whether we will subscribe to that love and forgiveness. And if we do, the Lord will always forgive. And He will give us peace in our hearts. In our troubled times, due to some of our doubts, due to some of our fears. But come to Jesus whenever we are confused, whenever we are in doubt, whenever we are afraid, whenever we are feeling lonely and sad and abandoned. Let Jesus Christ give us peace, knowing that we can face the world with bravery in our hearts, because God is the source of our strength. If Jesus is with us, we have nothing to be afraid of. Peace be with you.